Just pour oil on the cinnamon. After I discovered this, I don't spend any more money. Let's start today's tip by adding 1.5 cups of water. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. I bet you've never prepared a tip like this, and you'll be surprised by the result. We just need to stir well until the ground cinnamon mixes with the water. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Sylvia from Argentina. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once it's at this point, we'll add it to another container. If necessary, you can even mix it again to ensure that the ground cinnamon is completely dissolved in the water. You don't know the final purpose of this mixture, and you'll be surprised by the result. Now, we'll also add oil to the mixture. The required amount is enough to fill the container, just as I'm doing. Once it's like this, we'll set the mixture aside. The last item of this tip is a common disposable cup like this one. For this tip, we'll only use the bottom of the cup. For this, we'll use scissors to cut it. My family thought this tip was strange, but shortly after doing it, everyone was surprised by the result. The preparation method is simple, and we all have the ingredients at home. Once we cut only the bottom of the plastic cup, we also need to make a small hole. Now, to finish, we'll also use a wick like those used in candles. We just have to pass it through the hole at the bottom of the cup and then tie a knot on one end. With this, we're in the final process of today's tip. We just need to put the wick we prepared directly into the mixture. Doing this, we have a fully scented cinnamon candle that lasts much longer than conventional candles. By constantly being in contact with the oil, the flame is always fueled, ensuring its functionality for long periods. With the scent of cinnamon, your house will be well scented and free of insects. After preparing it at home, come back here and tell me what happened. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.